Hi, this is Norv Leong of FaceTime Communications. Thanks for joining me today. Today's demo will cover FaceTime's capabilities in the area of social networking. Specifically, we'll be taking a look at LinkedIn and the moderation of content posted to this particular social network. As a little backgrounder, FaceTime helps you take advantage of the social networking tools that are out there by delivering enterprise solutions that provide unified security, management, and compliance across the broadest set of applications and modalities. In our new Socialite offering, FaceTime now makes available controls for social networks. For example, you can now control which applets users can access on Facebook, what they can post to Twitter, and whether they can make recommendations on LinkedIn, just to cite a few examples. Now, these capabilities enable organizations to comply with the plethora of governmental rules and regulations that are floating around out there. These are things such as FINRA, the NFA, the FRCP, as well as other industry regulations. And if you're using social media for business purposes, you can retain the information that users have posted in order to comply with regulations such as Sarbanes-Oxley, as well as prevailing business practices. In today's demo, I'll show you the end-user experience with LinkedIn when moderation controls are applied. We'll then go over how the user can review all of his or her posts and any commentary made by the moderator, and how simple the whole experience really is. Now, as a user, you'll see, in addition to the standard LinkedIn page, which you see on your screen here, at the top you'll see this gray horizontal bar, what we like to call the FaceTime info bar, that essentially has these three buttons, red, yellow, and green, to denote rejected, pending, or approved messages respectively. We also toss in this little yellow alert triangle to basically notify the user that posts to this site are going to be held for review and that they may be archived. It's kind of there to keep you in check. So let's imagine that I want to update my status on LinkedIn. I want to write, I have a new, insurance policy to offer that's free and delivers a 90% return guaranteed. So we're going to hit share, and you'll see that the dialog box pops up saying that the website is under moderation and that your message is going to be held for review. So we're going to click OK, and you'll notice that the yellow button changed from 0 to 1, and this is to show that your message is now the pending queue. And if you click the pending, you'll see the message that I just tried to post. Click OK. Once you've done that, whoever your moderator is for your company is going to receive an email notification saying that somebody tried to update their status on LinkedIn. He or she will log into the Unified Security Gateway console, which you see in front of you, and this is the dashboard that they're immediately presented with, that basically gives the admin or the moderator a bird's eye overview of what's going on in the corporate network with respect to the social networking activity. So as you can see, we capture such information as the top applications that are being accessed within the corporate enterprise. Not surprisingly, you see Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter is very well represented. Capture other data such as which of the employees is accessing which site and for how long. We can divvy it up into graphical charts. And then we also capture the more mundane information, such as the firmware version or the disk usage information. But for this demo, we want to be able to see the message that I tried to post. So as a reviewer, you can click on the transcripts tab, and you can search for all kinds of transcripts by whether it's a Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter network that we're dealing with. You can search by specific employees. You can do it by time period. There's lots of ways you can search for transcripts. But if you want to see the particular message that I just tried to post, you would click Events Pending Moderation, and there you see my message right at the top of the queue. That would be ID number 30598. And as a moderator, you can simply approve or reject messages right from the screen. You could do it in bulk, or you could do it individually. But if you really wanted to drill down and understand the context of a particular comment, you'd want to drill down and hit the actual ID number. Here it's 30598, so we'll click on that. And here you see the message I just tried to post. I have a new insurance policy, ... And underneath it is the real key differentiator for FaceTime, in that we are able to capture the entire context of a particular comment. So here what I'm scrolling through is everything that was captured on that LinkedIn page at the time the comment was made. So it gives the reviewer a much more informed basis from which to say yay or nay on a particular comment. Now, of course, the sentence that I tried to upload would definitely raise eyebrows amongst the SEC and FINRA regulators that are out there. So you would think you'd want to reject this, and as a moderator, you also have the option of leaving a comment. This is particularly useful if you are going to reject a comment. I'm sure the user would want to know why their comment is being rejected. So you can simply, insert your comment here. I don't know, in I can't spell, appropriate per company policy. You reject it, click the green plus button, and we're clicking done. And from an end user perspective, and by the way, you can no longer see my message in the queue now for pending messages. If you hop back to the LinkedIn site, the end user, let's give it a little refresh on the page. You'll notice that the pending went from 1 back down to 0, and the rejected number increased from 4 to 5. And if you clicked on rejected, you'll see the message that I just tried to post, and that was turned down by the moderator. So it's a very seamless process, very easy. All the controls that I've applied here today, I'm talking about the ability to moderate, log, and control posted content, is the same as our existing capabilities for instant messaging and unified communications, except that in this instance it was applied to LinkedIn in particular. The data can be easily retained or exported to an email archive of your choice in order to satisfy e-discovery requirements. Further demos on the full moderator functionality are also available, or if you'd like to see demos not just for LinkedIn but for also Facebook or Twitter, or to arrange a full-blown evaluation for any of these three sites, that's also very doable. You can visit us at www.facetime.com, give us a holler at 888-349-3223, or shoot us an email at info@facetime.com, and we'll get you hooked up. So that'll wrap it up for today.